Thanks for watching this internet video that was made by the Steering Wheel Camera Society of America.
Hey now, storage wrapping with a little steering wheel cam. I can't believe it, this expedition just pulled right in front of me. I was tracking down another syncmobile like mine, but a darker color. There he is over there, he's getting away. I always wondered what it was like to drive behind me, to know what it was like to be behind the steering wheel cam guy. And now I sort of knew, and then that stupid expedition over there got in my way. And now the other steering wheel cam car, actually not a steering wheel cam car, just sync. He's behind me now. I'm blowing past him. I'm in the lane that used to be the diamond lane. Right, the diamond lane is just there for certain hours for more than one rider in a car. I haven't figured out, you know, how to like do the blow up Charlie or whatever, or the cardboard Chris or whatever I need to do to be able to ride the diamond lane without having two people. But I'm being pressured. I don't know if you can see it behind me in my rear view mirror. I've got a Chevy truck. He wants to eat me alive. I turned the camera around to show you the speedometer, but it's too risky right here. I mean, it's riskier than trying to track a smart car. Well, he's moved over now. Pressure's off. Man, I feel like a guy climbing a mountain in the Tour de France when somebody just lets up. Oof. That was some aggressive pickup driving back there. I don't know if I would have seen a smart car or not traveling down the canyons of trucks here on the 280. Just don't know. There might have been 5 or 6 there that I never would have seen in the shadow of the Mayflower van or the Super Value truck or whatever else it was that I saw. Maybe something from NASA hauling rocket parts around, whatever. Hey, so I want to talk to you a little bit about cloud stuff, right? Cloud, you know, we all take turns saying, what's cloud anyway, and trying to define cloud and all of that sort of thing, right? I think it's a little bit unfortunate that we use the word cloud. I mean, it's got one syllable, which is good, and when you compare that to utility has 3 syllables and starts with the letter U, which doesn't have very many words, so it's kind of good for a Scrabble game. But, you know, as far as people hanging on and remembering utility, it's kind of hard, right? Cloud just sort of pops off the tongue. I gotta let that old Accord go by me. Now I'm chasing that thing. That's not a very interesting car. It's not like the original Civic or anything. Getting back to cloud though, right? So we got this funny term cloud, and everyone wants to say that everything's in the cloud, and cloud this, cloud that, you know, but actually what it is utility services. And you know, what's getting to be interesting is getting virtual private servers, you know, in the cloud, or, you know, is a utility service. Virtual private servers. You know, with VMware you can do that. You get slices of machines. You don't have to see the machine. You know, you get a part of a resource, all that. Very efficient, very cool. You know, you pay for only the amount of stuff that you get and use. This is really good stuff. We just started a program at 3PAR called Cloud Agile, and we're working with several partners of ours of helping us get that started: Attenda, DataPipe, Terramark, and Verizon Business. They're part of the Cloud Agile program, and they're using 3PAR storage to bring enhanced storage services into the cloud, right? And things that you'll be seeing in the future are things like the ability to have virtual private arrays, where you, as an end-user customer, will be able to set up, you'll have a slice of an array. But it's not like just getting a few disk drives or something like that. You get to take advantage of all the spindles and all the wide striping and all the controllers that our utility service provider partners have, right? So if Terramark has, you know, a 4-controller, an 8-controller system with, you know, 1,000 disk drives in it, you get a slice of all of that. You get all of that. Plus, you get the ability to create your own volumes, your own thin provision volumes, to use just the right amount of storage that you want, right? It's very, very cool. And of course, along with that, there will also be services for things like remote copy, so you can have, you know, your data on your virtual private array remote copy to another virtual private array in another facility. Very, very cool stuff. Just like having it in your own data center, except you don't have to buy the whole shebang. So smaller customers and large customers can take advantage of having 3PAR equipment at a service provider and not necessarily in your own data center. Now, we're not going to be in the data center business ourselves. 3PAR is too small a company. We're not going to set up that kind of thing, but we are going to work with partners like Attenda, like DataPipe, like Terramark, and like Verizon Business. We're going to work with those partners, and you're going to be able to get the terrific technology of 3PAR at these service providers, and you're going to have access to it to do very cool stuff, and it's going to be running full bore on your behalf. Very, very cool. So I'm excited about Cloud Agile. We're Storage Rapid.